So there's an aspect of trading that you cannot really take out of trading itself, and that aspect of trading is your convictions about the market. Like, what you know about the market has to be 100% verified by the market. What do I mean? A point will come in your trading where the market itself will test your trading knowledge, it will test your market exposure, it will test to know how much you really know what you're doing. And in fact, that's one of the reasons why people easily blow accounts, because when the market begins to test you, you enter for sell, it buys, you enter for buy, it sells, you enter for sell and buy, it begins to range. That is the point where the market is actually doing what? Testing your knowledge and exposure. How much do you know of it? Why am I actually starting this conversation this way? My trading last week was a whole lot different for me, because I kind of understood that for you to really survive the long-term game of trading, you have to know what you're doing. You absolutely have to know what you're doing and be convinced enough to know that you're doing the right thing regardless of the results. Guys, do you know that you might be doing the wrong thing and getting results? Temporary result. That does not mean that you're trading profitably. I don't know if you're getting the point I'm trying to make. But your convictions is what's going to keep you to keep doing the right thing regardless of the result, knowing that your edge in the long run will play out. Now, personally for me last week, guys, I took 3 trades. Okay, 2 trades ETSL, and I had just 1 win. And because of my risk to reward ratio of 1:3 maximally, which I normally always aim for, I was still able to end the week in profit. Of course, everything, all of the trades was documented. I'm going to show you guys after this intro, so do well to watch this video from beginning to the end. My name is Michael. If this is your first time of coming through to my video, I'm a forex trader and I document my journey here on this channel. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel and you sort of love videos like this, please do well to subscribe. So I took my time to document all of my trades and I'm going to show you guys right away. But one thing I noticed is, man, last week trading for me was very funny, but I actually learned something. Learn to stand your ground. Once you do your analysis and your market analysis tells you we are going for a sell today, stick to it regardless of the outcome. So after I did my analysis for the week, it was clear that I would only watch out for sell setups excuse me, and take them. So I entered for my first sell trade and it took me out. Entered for my second sell trade, it took me out. It was the third one that actually went straight to TP and I was able to get a 1:3 and all of the losses was recovered and we were able to close a little bit above profit. So everything is documented right here and I'm going to show you guys. So do well to watch the video from beginning to the end. Let's get straight to the video, guys. Okay guys, so you're welcome to the YouTube channel, and as you can see, I'm currently selling US30 from the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so the sell pending order just got triggered some few seconds ago. This is a 1:4.6 RR trade, so let's see how it plays out. I'll definitely update you guys. So as you can see, let me show you guys from the 4 hour time frame. So as you can see guys, obviously from the 4 hour time frame, you can see that we are having the market taking out these lows that you see right here. We are having lower highs and lower lows, so this is clearly showing us that the market is in a downtrend, right? So I just went ahead to my 1 hour time frame to watch for a good reason to go with the sellers, and the reason why I'm taking this sell is because, as you can see right here guys, price has obviously tapped into this trend line and of course this breaker that you see right here. Okay, so I've actually gotten the reaction I need to see right here,
And let me show you guys something. As a matter of fact, let me zoom in and show you. We had a bearish engulfing candlestick that you see right here. Can you see this bearish engulfing candlestick? So this is one of the reasons why I took this sell. So after the bearish engulfing, I had to position my trades appropriately, okay, to match up with my risk, and that is why I'm actually taking the entry from this level, and my SL is just a little bit above this level. So let's see how it plays out. I'll definitely update you guys. This trade is a very late trade. I got in this trade 7:41 p.m. West African time, so possibly I'm going to be swing trading this till tomorrow. So let's see how it plays out. I'll definitely update you guys. Do well to watch the video from beginning to the end. Let's see how it plays out, guys. Okay guys, so good morning. So this is the update of the trade we took yesterday. Today is Tuesday, and as you can see, we are currently floating in profit. So let's just check. So the trade actually has done a 1:2, as you can see. So there's a little bit of retracement back up now, so but we are still holding, guys. We are still holding. Let's see how it plays out. I so much love the fact that we are having a fair value gap here. Okay, so this should hold, as a resistance and continue pushing the price down. So let's see how it plays out. I just thought to update you guys. Okay guys, so update on the trade. As you can see, this trade has been a roller coaster for us. Like, can you just see what the market is doing, guys? Just take a good look at what the market has been doing. Can you see? So the market actually gave me up to 1:2.5, almost 1:2.6. It actually did a 2.6, as you can see, before reversing to the upside. You see that massive reversal. So market has been playing. It's normal for it to do all these things. So, but I'm still holding. If this particular trade, if it gave me like a 1:3 around here, guys, I would have closed. You get, but it didn't just get to my 1:3 and reverse back. But we are still on the trade. I just thought to show you guys. So the trade is still active. Let's see. The market is actually trying to come back down again. So let's see how it goes. I strongly believe this bullish fair value gap will not hold. So this is what I'm actually projecting. This is what I'm seeing the market do. So it has actually done this. So this is just what I'm seeing it do, and it should come down. So the bearish sentiment for me is still very much active, unless the market decides to do otherwise. So let's just keep on holding and show you what this video from beginning to the end. I would update you guys. So let's see how far it goes. If it does not get to at least a 1:3 for me today, then I will definitely swing trade this particular setup. I'll be holding it till tomorrow again, and I'll of course update you guys as usual. So let's see how it goes, guys. Okay guys, so can you see what the market is doing now, guys? So after all the ups and downs, the market just took me out. Guys, can you see? The market just took me out now, and it seems like it wants to go back down to my entry, but I'm not bothered. Okay, I actually feel bad about this trade because it really wasted my time after giving me a whole 1:2 point something RR. Just as you can see right here, after all of this move, reversing back, tapping my SL, and it wants to seem like it wants to come back to my entry, but it's fine. I just thought to update you guys. So it is what it is in this particular trade. Can you see what the market is doing? It seems like it wants to start selling, but I'm not in a rush to enter this trade. If there's any need for me to enter again for the sell, I will do also let you guys know. But for now, I just thought to update you guys. So this is it for this trade. It hit SL, and it's okay for me. If I see another good entry, I'll definitely let you guys know. Okay guys, so currently on this US30 sell. Okay, so I just entered a sell, and trade is active on my MT5, as you can see. So this is my projected direction for the market. I'm actually targeting a 1:4.2 RR. Okay, so let's see how it plays out. The trade is already triggered. I just thought to update you guys. And as you well know, remember that we entered a sell initially before, but we were stopped out around this area because of just this small wick, but as you can see, market only took us out. Actually, is forming like an M pattern, and as you can see, market is beginning to want to drop to the downside. So this is majorly the reason why I actually took this sell entry again. Let me show you guys something. So guys, the reason why I actually took this sell again is because all I was waiting for, let me zoom in so I can show you guys well. All I was waiting for, guys, I was waiting for price to actually take out this support area, okay, to break below it. So immediately I saw this breakout. Let me zoom in well and show you guys. So immediately I saw that price finally broke out from this zone, and we have a retest, and this is the reason why I'm taking the sell. Okay, so I expect market to drop to the downside. Let me show you guys from the 4 hours time frame so that you can see that we are still in the bearish market. The market is still very bearish. Can you see? So of course there should have been a break of structure right here. So we are still strongly in the bearish market. So this is what I'm expecting the market to do. So let's see how it plays out. I'll update you guys. So I actually entered this trade very early this morning. This is 6:20 a.m. West African time. Okay, so I just woke up this morning and I saw that the market is actually doing what I want, and I entered the trade immediately. So I'm going to keep you guys posted as usual. There's every possibility that we might swing trade this particular setup till next week, but let's see. We never can tell what the market can do. The market can just drop, to the downside drastically in 24 hours. Okay, so let's see. Today is Thursday, so let's see how it plays out. I'll definitely update you guys. Okay guys, so this is the update of the trade. As you can see, trade just smashed SL. Can you see what the market is actually doing? So it just tapped exactly my SL point. Let me zoom in and show you guys. Tapped exactly my SL point, and of course, as you can see right here, trade was actually in profit, right? It was actually in profit before it got to this demand zone and began to reverse back to the upside. Let me calculate how many RR it gave us before reversing. So market did the rough 1:1 RR before reversing back to the opposite side. So of course I did not break even on this trade, so that's the reason why it took me out, but it's fine. I just thought to update you guys. So this will be all for my trade for today. Second L for the week. Let's see what tomorrow brings. I'll definitely update you guys as usual. Okay guys, so I'm entering for a sell, as you can see right here, okay, from the 2 hours time frame. So this is a 1:3.25 RR trade. Trade is triggered on my MT5. This will be my final trade for today. Okay, whatever it does, I'll definitely update you guys. So I'm taking a second entry, okay, for today. So let's see how it plays out. I'll update you guys as usual. Okay guys, so update on the trade. So as you can see, trade is currently in profit. This should definitely be at least a 1:1. Okay, so as you can see right here, market has already done at least a 1:, let me just be sure. Market has already done a 1:1.1 RR, as you can see right here. Okay, so we are still holding the trade. Let's see how it plays out. I just thought to update you guys. So it is what it is, guys. Our trade for this week has been very funny. My bias strongly remains a bearish market, and just look out for sales on US30. So it's just that the market has been doing what it wants to do, and when things happen like this, there's nothing you can do. The best you can do is to just manage your risk and you move on. So We've had 2 losses, and this is our third trade for the week. So let's just keep on seeing how this plays out. I will update you guys. Okay guys, so this is the update of the trade we took yesterday. Remember, we took this trade yesterday and I told you guys I was going to swing trade. So this is the end result. Trade just smashed TP, as you can see. So we were able to get a 1:3.2 RR trade. Remember, I told you guys that we only had 3 trades for this week. My first 2 trades were losses. They hit SL, and this finally was able to go straight to TP. And what it simply means is, since risk to reward on this particular trade is a 1:3, we were still able to end the week in profit. So it was a good one. So this is all for the week. We took 3 trades. I'm going to put the screenshot somewhere in this video for you to see. So 3 trades, 2 losses, 1 win, and we still ended the week in profit. So that's all for this week, guys. I just want to say a very big thank you for taking our time to watch the video from beginning to the end. Next week is another time again. I'll definitely document all of my trades and drop it here on this channel. If this is your first time of watching my videos, please do well to subscribe to the channel, okay, so to follow up my trades on this channel. I would be glad to have you guys on board. Thank you very much, guys. See you guys next week.